Welcome to Reolink. In this video, we'll give you a detailed guide on how to add your Reolink camera to the Synology Surveillance Station. Synology Surveillance Station is a third-party security system to manage your cameras and monitor your home and business. It supports most of the Reolink cameras, such as the Duo PoE, RLC 820A, etc. So before we jump into the setup, make sure that your camera is compatible with the system, and the camera needs to be connected to the same network as the network-attached storage. Next, log in to the Synology NAS. And then click IP Camera. Click Add to add your camera. You'll see a setup wizard. Choose a setup mode as needed. Here, we'll go with the Quick Setup. Click Next. On the information page, fill in the required information. The camera IP address will be automatically identified after you hit the search button, and the port number of Reolink cameras is 8000 by default. Click OK. Input the camera name, username, and password. Lastly, click Test Connection to make sure the information is correct. If the test succeeds, click Finish, and you'll see the camera live view shows up. Now you've successfully added your Reolink camera to the Synology Surveillance Station, and you can check the live view and configure other settings on it. That's all for adding your Reolink camera to the Synology Surveillance Station. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel.